Okay, let's get started. The first thing you would need for your supplies, you would need the double-sided tape, or you can use the glue gun, whichever one you prefer. You would use a Ziploc bag, scissors. I have some already cut up, and I already have some that's pre-made, but I'm going to start from scratch to show you guys how I go about doing these to make the resealable cigar wrappers. I wanted it to already be safe. Okay, you're gonna start with some right here. I use 3 strips. 3 strips. But you can use 2 if you want, but I want mine to actually just stick and don't move or go nowhere. So I use 3 strips. I do one side, then I turn around. I make sure that this right here is pressed down there as much as possible. I turn around and I do the other side. Just cut, just measure and cut. That's it. Nothing fancy about it. It's just that easy. Whichever side that you prefer to put right here or right here, it doesn't matter. That's the side that you would use. But before you do that, measure it to where that you have enough room. See, mine's, I need enough room for this because I fold mine's. I have some on the side. This right here is the one with the strip on the side, which you can't tell. This one right here is strip from the side. It's glue from the side. If this making any sense. So you could either do it like this, or you can do it like this to where that is fold. And it's not coming. See, this right here is the best. Well, this right here is my favorite method to use because, as you can see, I can't pull it up, and that's what you want. You don't want to be able to pull it up, or you don't want it to be able to be pulled up by your client or your customer. It doesn't. Which one? See. So that's the way I'm going to do it on this one. See how easy it's coming up? That's because I pressed down so hard and so much on it to where that it don't, that the adhesive sticky part is on there. And leave about that much. I don't leave, but it's up to you how much you want to put this up or go up, down. I didn't rip it, so that's fine. Get on there and just cut off the extra this. Then you put you some tape down here. But I used to put the glue down there, but I'm just gonna put the tape in this video to save us some time. And this is why I use the glue once I seal this up. Oh, here they go. See, I didn't just get those papers. See how easy that was, and you just push that back down. Mine usually don't look like this. I don't want the video as long, so I'm trying to hurry up this rush because I want to get straight to the point and straight to what I'm doing, because I know watching videos and you watching people do all that talking and all that, that can take all that unnecessary out. So there you have it. That's it. And like I said, if you have extra SS white paper or the white script, you see from here, just cut it off if you want, but it looked good to me. So there you have it. And let me show you how easy that was and fast it was. So if I wasn't doing this video, I would be done like this.